Today we're going to talk about the new Welder, and the reason that we're excited about this is it is extremely portable with interchangeable batteries. Now, Jason, what does this thing weigh?
Perry, this is portable. 15 pounds. That includes the batteries that are in there. If you need to go absolutely anywhere, maybe it's a roof, maybe it's a stairwell, maybe it's out in the field, it doesn't matter. You can take this anywhere. You take a drill, a saw, anything. 15 pounds, you're portable and you're welding.
Yeah, and it's compatible with Milwaukee batteries. So if you are already a Milwaukee power tool user, the M18 battery fits in here. As long as you've got the 60 amp or higher, you're welding. And I mean, I found it, even though it's portable so you can take it anywhere, I find that this is still my go-to shop welder. Plus, I happen to be on a farm, so it is great to use outside in the field.
And here's the beautiful part. It comes complete with electrode holder, but what you don't know yet, you have the ability to weld with gasless flux core. We have this loaded up with 035 wire right now. Many of our audience really prefer wire. It's easier, less cleanup, it's precise, you can get smaller diameters of wire. This is plug and play. You take out your gator, you plug in your wire, and if you prefer, you can use wire as opposed to the electrodes. This is a game changer.
And I've used that with the 030, the 035, and I've actually got it with 045 too. So that all runs in that spool gun if I have a little bit of a heavier job.
Exactly, and same as the electrodes. Guys will ask, well, how many electrodes can you weld with on a charge? Well, it's kind of different because that depends on how many batteries you have. If you have extra M18 batteries, you can weld all day long. Just keep plunking the batteries in, continue welding. When we take these batteries out, put them into our supercharger, they're fully charged in about half an hour. With 4 batteries in here, you can weld approximately 12 332 electrodes or 5 1/8 electrodes. Now, if you wanted to upgrade to the 12 amp, you can almost triple your electrode production. So instead of doing 12 332, you're doing almost 36 332 electrodes with one charge. It's pretty phenomenal, the power that you can get out of this unit. Now, if you're using this unit and you had the leads under a door and you didn't see what was on the other side of that door, you would never know that you were welding on a battery welder. It could be your big diesel generator machine, it could be anything. You just wouldn't know it was battery. The power that comes out of this, straight DC power, so you get no fluctuations, you're not tripping breakers, you're just welding. Portability, 100%.
Yeah, I mean, if you are a mobile welder, you've got a mobile welding truck, but you don't want to haul wires in, or you've got a space that's a public space and they don't want you running diesel generators, they don't want you tripping breakers because you're plugging in, this is a game changer because you can carry that into a space, start welding, get the job done. It's quiet, it's amazing. No truck, no welder, no generator.
Just welding. For anyone that's ever had to go on a roof for some maintenance or some repairs on whatever it is, maybe it's railings, maybe it's something to do with the ventilation or whatever. If you've ever had to string cables up 20 stories or whatever it is, you'll know and you'll see the true value of this. If you're in new build constructions, you're in stairwells, you're not plugging in, you're not tripping breakers, you're not tripping over cords, things like that. You walk in, you set your unit down, you do your welding and you get out. I'm cranked up. Let's do some welding.